Hey guys, I'm Mason.
And I'm Keegan with Boat Choice TV. And welcome back to this episode. This is going to be a video of opening day of turkey season. But before we get started, I just want to show some appreciation we have for our viewers. And we're actually going to be doing a giveaway of a couple things here. So first things first.
We have a Greenleaf turkey vest from Old Tom, brand new, straight out of the box.
And then we got this Boat Choice hat. It's green and black, so it goes good with the vest. You can wear turkey season, deer hunting, whatever you need to do.
Then, last but not least, we've got one of our very own BC Bandito mouth calls from Woodsman Custom Calls. It's a ghost cut style. Thing is nasty. You gotta have one.
This is going to end on Friday, April 14th. So you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment done when you've done all that, and you'll be entered in the drawing to win all this. So here's the video. Hope y'all like it.
Morning. Today's arrived. Waiting for this all year. What day is it? Hurry, tell them. Alright, anyways. he might garhold me today. So, going to the spot where he said he heard something. We didn't hear anything yesterday, so kind of just go in here blind. But
we're going to find out.
We're going to find out. So, stay tuned. This is a great episode coming for you. I'll get garhold. Bye-bye.
As we got out of the truck, the owls started hooting immediately. We heard a gobble a few hundred yards away already, and it's only 6 o'clock, so we're trying to see if we can hear another bird. The road is behind us this way, but we heard a bird back in the woods over here, so we're just kind of playing the waiting game, trying to figure out what we can hear.
go, baby.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
I hope you got it on film.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. That's how you double up right there.
Dude, I missed the first. I hit him back the first shot, dude. Because he shot, you took off.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why,
God.
guys, I only got the single shot. So, single shot 20 gauge, Stevens 301. We got it done. Tail one went down. So we ended up hunting this field right here. We heard owls hooting this morning as soon as we got here. Heard birds back in the field. Back in the woods, actually, back here. So we decided we're going to go ahead and try. Heavy bird? Oh, yeah, that's a good bird. Good bird. Double beard.
Let's look at yours.
There we go. What time is it?
I don't know.
Early? 7:15, 7:30? 7:20?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep,
I think it's a pretty one.
that's a good bird. Got your lighter on you?
I do. Special edition. Actually, I'm gonna give you one.
The old gobbler.
The old gobbler,
You want one of these?
old gobbler Bick.
Honey bourbon?
No.
Got yours, huh?
I had these two, so I didn't kill a bird last year. I was saving these two. So they probably all stale and dried out. But it is what it is.
Look at that casing right there.
That's pretty cool.
Daybone style right here.
Got feathers all over you, boy.
If y'all didn't know, John came in from Arkansas, what, yesterday?
Thursday night.
He's been scouting up in Arkansas where he lives back home and tried to find somewhere around my parents' place where he'd go hunt. I know there's birds out here, so called around to a lot of people, and finally old man of this place was generous enough to go ahead and give us a spot. So came out here. Turns out another guy had permission too. We made a deal kind of to let me come hunt opening day, and hopefully there's enough birds for him too, because I kind of feel bad we shot two, but out of state buddy coming, I mean, can't pass that up.